Hey everyone, Iva here. I have a leggy Monstera Siltepecana. So what I did, I laid the stem on the soil to develop roots. So I made sure that it's touching all the time to the soil. I anchor it with a pin so it won't come off. And then so it won't detach from the soil. So I checked it frequently by pulling gently, tagging it, and see if there's a resistance already. Because if there is, it means that it's already rooted. So when they develop roots, I cut in between the node. But before doing that, I made sure that it has roots already, so it will survive by itself. Because when you cut it, it's gonna the other one, the one at the tip, will be by itself. And then so that's why you have to make sure that there's already roots to it. And then the other end, the other one, the one that has that doesn't have any leaves, the nodes will develop a side shoot. Because when you cut it, that's when the plant get triggered to grow a side shoot. So I keep doing the same cycle until all the nodes will have side shoots, and so that's how I made my leggy Monstera bushy. So as you can see here, you see the red arrow. There's in the node, right? There's a tiny side shoot growing already. That's after 10 days. And then this is after 20 days. So I just keep doing the same cycle. Like when it's rooted already, I cut it in between the node until all the nodes are already filled up with the side shoots. Yeah, so that's how I made my leggy Monstera bushy. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something or like the video. And if you do, please subscribe. There's a lot more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.